来骊山喝乌龙茶，耶！
Welcome to another video in Lishan. Today we just start our breakfast. It's a very good healthy breakfast in this restaurant. After the breakfast we are going to Kumy Tea Farm, where we can see the beautiful view of the Kumy Tea Farm, as well as we will drink some Kumy tea there. Bye bye guys. Yeah. From here, Jimmy, photo. Camera is on. Let's go to the highest. Huh?
This one cannot say. No, you wait. I need to go down first because it's too heavy for you.
It's okay. I'm making video, sister. Hi. You what? He look like a girl like this.
Please don't play. Please don't play.
Wow.
I skip for that. One. Oh my god.
Yes, again.
Huh, again?
One, two, three.
Again, back to me.
So what kind of tea is this one? I go here? Ooh la la.
对，全部人。One by one。
这个我可能，
我没进。那个三个例不好，不要。
那我会滑倒。
And then you will be take a. You hold one by one. Beautiful picture. Yeah.
Cameraman, yeah. We give the camera. Sister, it's make my everything wet. It's make everything wet. It's video. I come, but my pen is totally wet now.
It's okay, we can change.
I will not bring too much lah. It's video.
I look for.
You look like girl now. There. From Pakistan.
Amra from Mongolia.
Shui from Malaysia.
Trung from Vietnam.
Jenna from Vietnam.
Basharat from Pakistan.
Anna from Myanmar. Kishi from Myanmar.
Lishan from Pakistan.
Tony from Myanmar. Kumy from Taiwan.
欢迎来骊山。
Yay!
还有。
专业摄影师，真的，他不是专业，是非常专业。
阿丽。
Yes. Hello, ni hao. Oolong tea.
Handsome.
Yes.
It's one of the very cold. So this is
Azerbaijan.
Cheers. Teachers.
还有4个哈，
录了。
东方美人。
How much is it?
东方美人
How much price?
price 600 above 600。You
这个君毅，坐这边也可以，那边也可以。对，这边也可以。
这边就是一斤啊，一斤。
哦，那个。
它量一定会超过3000。
但这里是这里你刚问我要做这个是。
600 grams here must above 3,600 must。这个must above。
我
And then you can see the color is more bright than the 冻顶乌龙, right?
yeah.
冻顶乌龙 is more dark, 像那种琥珀色。
more deep color. Like brown color.
You can see it's more bright and
Light color.
light
是小雨呢。这里是看那个还有另外一个对。
What is it? खुश होने वाले लोग हैं। You know, you don't. What is it?
This is candy.
Sweet.
Egg.
You cannot. 它不能吃啊，它不能吃饭。OK。
I can just take pictures.
这个地方呢，在助产的时候，车子全部净空，全部没有。然后我们全部把叶子、茶叶都在这边晒。你看这边有没有这个太阳？我们会有太阳，然后呢，如果太阳太大的时候呢，就把它晒。你可以看到那个花。
Is there any specific time to pick them?
姐姐，来有问题了，有没有什么时间采茶？
我们晚上的时候呢，就会把茶叶一个一个都放在这个地方，放在这边，放这边发酵。它这边这里的发酵的话，最少要在，我们要停止发酵。
对，准备回来了。对。之后。
停止发酵的时候，我们就是在这边炒，这是炒锅哦，cook fry.
For how long? How the temperature?
Temperature over 300.
How 300 degrees? For how long?
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it also. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We are still in Lishan and our next video also coming soon about the Lishan. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.